Here I have OPPO F9 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and microSD card. So at the very beginning, let's start here by pressing the power key, keep holding power. Let's slide down to power off the device and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Then you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's just open the slot and simply push it right here. Alright, so here you can remove the tray from your device, and as you can see here you can insert the microSD and Nano SIM card. So let me start with microSD. Here I have microSD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and let's insert the Nano SIM card in one of this slot. You can also insert the second Nano SIM card, but in my case let me use only one card. Let's press it to the end. Now simply switch on the device and wait until your device will be ready, and then check out how your device works with these cards. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device, and here you can find and select the settings. You can check out SIM card, and as you can see the device is reading the SIM card, so everything went well. Your SD card is also working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.